We are from Jilla Parishad Primary School, Mariwada, CPS Daulatabad. Today we are playing language games and I made 4 groups. This is group A. That is group B. That is group C. And that is group D. In this game, the first number received by group A and they will read the sentences made by them.
It is a greeting card. It is a notebook. I am girl. It is the tiffin.
Where is Stephen?
My name is Rushti.
Yes.
It is a pen. It is a stone. It is the book. My name is Sapna. It is a stick.
And second number is group D.
I have a watch. It's duster.
It is.
That is a pen.
Yes.
I am a ghost.
Wow.
That is mathematics book. This is the notebook.
Here is Dakazani.
I am a girl.
Right. And number third is group C.
It is a paper. It is the bottle. This is the uniform.
Where is need to bara.
This is the uniform.
Right. Yes.
This is the book.
Right. And fourth rank is group.
This is the plate. This is the pen. I have 10 rupees. This is I like lick.
Yes.
This is the compass.
Right.
I have the 2 rupees.
2 rupees. And we play this game. Are you enjoying this game? Thank you. Say thank you.